Welcome back to my channel Whiteboard E-Learning. Dear student, today we'll start the exercise of the chapter Moving Charges and Magnetism. Already I have uploaded videos on this chapter Moving Charges and Magnetism. If you have not watched the videos, so watch the video first, and these are available on the top right corner of your screen at time to time, and clicking the I button, watch it, because exercise is based on the conception what you have acquired in the theory. So it is very important. Watch it first. Go to the question number 4.1. Read it out sincerely. A circular coil of wire consisting of 100 turns, each of radius 8 cm, carries a current of 0.40 ampere. What is the magnitude of the magnetic field B at the center of the coil? Very easy question. We have completed this one. Theory was that the magnetic field due to a current carrying conductor at the axial point. So formula was, I will make you understand in my next screen. So one thing you mind it, in this question 8 cm is given. So you have to convert 8 cm into meter. You know all the numerical problems throughout the academic year in the class of 12. You have to execute only in SI system. Mind it. So you have to convert 8 cm into meter. So already I have done the numerical problem on the whiteboard. So I have taken the PDF of that. So go to that PDF file. So this one for 4.1, number of turns was 100. Radius of the turn R is equal to 8 cm converted to 0.08 meter. Current I is equal to 0.4 ampere. Magnitude of the magnetic field at the center of the coil. So this was the formula actually. B is equal to, this is actually B, mu 0 by 4 pi 2 pi ni r square plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2. It is the magnetic field due to a circular coil at the axial point. The axial point is situated x distance from the center. So here it is not on the axial point, it is on the center. So here x, we put x is equal to 0. Then B will be mu 0 by 4 pi 2 pi ni by r. We have put the formula here, simplified the formula, and given values we have inserted here, and then it come out as 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. Tesla is the unit of magnetic field. So magnitude of magnetic field, so we have taken here magnitude, not the direction we have not taken, will be 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla at the center of the coil. So if you want to take the directions of the magnetic field, then use the right hand thumb rule. So now go to the next question number, that is 2. A long straight wire carrying a current of 35 ampere. What is the magnitude of the field B at the point 20 cm from the wire? Again it is centimeter, you have to convert it in the meter. So this numerical problem comes from the theory, that is the magnetic field due to a straight current carrying conductor. Previous formula was magnetic field due to a circular current carrying conductor at any axial point or at the center. Current I is equal to 35 ampere, we have written. First of all, you have to write what is in the numerical problem. Distance of the point from the wire, we have drawn one figure also. R is equal to 0.2 meter, 20 cm is equal to 0.2 meter. According to the formula, B is equal to, this is the magnitude, mu 0 by 4 pi 2 I by r. So 4 pi is, mu 0 is permeability. So it has a value 4 pi into 10 to the minus 7, and 2 into I is equal to 35, then divided by 0.2, it will come out as 3.5 into 10 to the minus 5 Tesla. So magnetic field magnitude at point 20 cm from the wire is 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. So it is the magnitude, mind it. So what will be the direction? You can see I have given here cross here. Cross means it is away from you and perpendicular to the screen of the Android phone. Now question number 4.3. A long straight wire in the horizontal plane carries a current of 50 ampere in north to south direction. Give the magnitude and directions of B at a point 2.5 meter east of the wire. Solution. Current in the wire is I is equal to 50 ampere. To make you understand, I will draw one figure here. Suppose current is flowing from this one, current from north to south, current is flowing, and we have to take the point here. Suppose the point is here and it will be 2.5 5 meter away. Then we will apply the formula B is equal to mu 0 by 4 pi 2 I by R. I current is flowing, that is 50 ampere, and R we have taken 2.5 meter. Okay, so we know what is the permeability, that is a 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla meter ampere to the power minus 1. So we have put the values again, 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 Tesla. Answer will come. The point is located normal to the wire length at the distance of 2.5 meter. The directions of the current in the wire is vertically downward. I have drawn here. Hence, according to the Maxwell's right hand thumb rule, the directions of the magnetic field will be, you can see one black dot here. This black dot. That means the magnetic field is, if we apply the Maxwell's right hand thumb rule, the directions of the magnetic field at the given point is vertically upward. Obviously, it will be vertically upward because horizontally the current is flowing horizontally from north to south, so it will be vertically upward. Question number 4. A horizontal overhead power line carries a current of 90 ampere in east to west direction. What is the magnitude and directions of the magnetic field due to the current 1.5 meter below the line? So same formula, same thing. This one, current in the power line is 90 ampere. Points is located below the power line, that is on 1.5 meter. Hence the same formula we have applied here. Same thing, it comes out as 1.2 into 10 to the minus 5 Tesla. Up to this, each and every students you can reach here. But one thing, if your conception is not clear, you cannot tell about the directions. So the current is flowing from east to west. East to west means to west, that means here east to west current is flowing, and you are below the line, you are below the power line. We want to find the direction, then we have to grab the current carrying conductor which is flowing from east to west. The thumb will indicate the directions of the current. Then how it curls, the remaining 4 fingers of the right hand curls. How it curls? It curls from north to south. 0.5 meter below the power line, your magnetic field will be from north to south directions. What is the answer? Here field is, you can see it is written towards the south. Then now read the question number 4.5. What is the magnitude of the magnetic force per unit length? That means L is equal to 1. On a wire carrying a current of 8 ampere and making an angle of 30 degree with the directions of the uniform magnetic field of 0.15 Tesla. Current in the wire 8 ampere. Magnitude of the uniform magnetic field B is equal to 0.15 Tesla. Angle between the wire theta 30 degree. So then formula will be here. So formula is F is equal to BIL equal to BIL sin theta. So here L is equal to 1 unit length, so it will be 1 meter. So that's why only BI sin theta is here. Equal to BI sin theta, then we have put the values 0.15 into 8 into 1 into sin 30 degree, then it will be 0.6 into 0.6 Newton per meter. So this is the magnetic force per unit length. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. We will meet the next